VEVOR sent me this oil extraction kit, asked me to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check out what you're going to get in the box. He's got the unit here. This is the one that has the manual handle pump here and the pneumatic. So you can put your pressure line onto here and it'll create the suction automatically with just using your air compressor. You're going to get the owner's manual. You're going to get two sets of lines here. One's got a larger diameter stiff suction line, and the other one is a softer one. So depending on the liquid you're using, you might want to choose one or the other. You're going to get two extraction lines. These are going to go down in through your dipstick or whatever hole you're going to go down. There's a smaller diameter one, slightly larger here. And these are both stiff as well, so they'll be able to go down, like I said, that oil dipstick tube or whatnot. You've even got a metal piece here you can use to help stiffen the line and make sure you're getting all the way through, and then pull this out before you do the extraction. You get a European air plug as well. This is going to be to adapt the pneumatic portion. Let's get it all put together, and we're going to take some oil out of this UTV. And I'm at the UTV, and the oil dipstick and fill port is right here. I don't know how far down we're going to get to go on this one. We'll see. Hopefully down to the bottom of the oil pan. Yeah. See how that works. This unit does not have much oil, only 1.4 quarts. So we'll see what we get, and I'll show you that there's a measuring line on the extraction pump. And you can see that oil coming through the line. And go right down into the pump. See that suction's already going there. So I'm going to keep pumping just to make it go a little faster, but the siphon alone should keep this thing draining. All right. You see it starting to fill here, and on the back side there are indicators that show you how many liters you've pulled out. It's going to be a little hard to see, but they're right here on this plastic on the outside. Goes from 0 up here to 6. So they're embossed in here. You can maybe darken them up with a marker, make them a little more apparent. But overall, yeah, really pleased because we are really pulling this oil out all by itself with just a few pumps. And we're coming up to the 1 liter mark here in a moment. And yeah, that's it. That's how it works. Super simple, great for boats, even good for a car. Makes it a little easier than climbing underneath and getting the drain plug. Hope that helps. Have a great day.